To do is look at modelling the phone holder. So in order to do that, we're going to add a new sketch, and we're actually going to pick the bottom surface of the last extrusion. I'm going to normalise by pressing N on the keyboard. And this time I'm going to use, instead of drawing this again, we're going to use something called the offset tool, which is this tool here. This allows us, as long as our mouse is inside this shape, to select this shape, as you can see there. And if I double click on the measurement with my left mouse button, I get the opportunity to change that measurement. And in this case, I'm going to change that to be 1. Notice that with a 1mm change, it actually cuts through the corner because it doesn't recognise these fillets. We can add the fillets on afterwards. So let's accept and let's spin our work around. We want to ignore this inner one here. So this is my sketch, which I'm going to rename Phone Holder Base, just so we can find it. And I'm going to extrude Phone Holder Base, but I'm also going to pick the middle bit inside, so it's a solid block. And I want this to be quite tall, so I want this to be 9mm, so it sticks up in the air. However, I also want it to not add material, but to be a new material, so it turns blue. Let's accept. That looks good. However, what you will notice is that the corners cut through. So I need to add a fillet. So let's add a 2mm fillet onto the corners to soften the shape and also make sure that it fits nicely and neatly into the place where it's supposed to sit. So let's accept. Okay, and if I just zoom out from above, you can see that that now is a perfect